Hello guys, good to have back for another video. So it's reset my car. In today's video I'm going to show you can reset the surface indicator of a 2022 Mercedes Citan. Slightly different than my previous videos about a Citan, and this is how you do that. First of all, have the ignition turned on, then have it on the odometer over here, total odometer. Turn the ignition back off, then press these two buttons. Press the return button for about 3 seconds, and right after 3 seconds press the menu button once while keeping the return button pressed. So 1, 2, 3, and you'll see that the surface menu appears on your screen. Then just scroll down to Assist Plus. With this one press, you need to turn the ignition on to enter the surface menu, complete surface, press again, the bottom one is confirm surface, another confirmation with yes, press it, and the final confirmation by yes. It now says the surface has been reset. Do the check, go to trip, scroll down, I'll go to surface, yes, scroll down to Assist Plus, and you'll see that the next surface is about is over 30,000 kilometers. This was a 2022 Mercedes Citan, slightly different. I hope it helps you to reset your own Mercedes, and I want to thank you for watching our videos. Hope to see you next time with another video. Thank you, bye bye.